Hello, this is Gavin Phillips with Layer Cake and Photo Effects. It's Black Friday 2021 and we have a brand new collection of amazing birds for you to use in all of your photo and graphic creations. You receive over 200 perfectly cut out birds that you can simply drag and drop onto your photos, photo books, greeting cards, for your website, anywhere online, or for any business related printed materials. Birds are fun and add a beautiful touch to any photo or graphic design that you create. So let's see how this works. Here is one of your layered TIFF files. You simply drag and drop one of the flocks of birds into your image, resize and position it exactly where you want it. It's that easy. Now I'll drag this seagull into the photo. As you can see, they are very large and can be used in any size image that you want to use them in. And resize and reposition. Now let's take a look at the swans. What's really cool is that included with the swans is their reflection in the water. That's on a separate layer for you. So it's really convenient for you. Once again, you just drag and drop the swan in with its reflection. And once again, just resize and position it where you want it. So let's just take a quick look at the layered TIFF files that you receive in this offer. There's an enormous variety of different birds for you to choose from. They're a wonderful addition to your graphics editing tools and are unique in digital imaging. There are so many ways to use these birds, and it's great to have them right at your fingertips. There are so many different birds in this collection. You even receive a collection of bats. So moving on to compatibility, as I mentioned, these are simple layered TIFF files and can be used in virtually any graphics program, all the graphics programs listed here, and many more. This is a brand new set of software for you, just released on Black Friday 2021 and at a big discount. Please see the website for details. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.